Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send gems to your friends in Lords Mobile. To do so, first you need to launch your Lords Mobile app on your device. And the first thing you need to do is check if you have giftable gems in your inventory. You can do so by clicking on this plus icon right next to your gem, like so, and then pressing on the gem itself. As you can see, I don't have any giftable gems right now. You can obtain giftable gems by completing challenges, Kingdom Tycoon and Tycoon Challenge, and also by making in-game purchases. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention this in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!